everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you guys a few kitchen hacks that I use in my daily routines, daily life, and in my kitchen. And of course, a lemon is one of those hacks. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
So firstly, we are going to start by cleaning our kettle. So we want to remove lime scale buildup in our kettle. So we start off using a lemon, which is, I don't even want to explain the scientific word or explanation for it, because obviously and honestly I don't know the explanation. Anyway, you fill the kettle with water and then toss in a couple of slices of lemon and just boil it up a few times depending on how much buildup of lime scale is there in the kettle. But yeah, just keep boiling and boiling. But I think I actually realized that I put a lot of water in my kettle, so I had to take out just a little bit of it so that it doesn't overflow when it's boiling. So a bonus hack would be that when you're done with the lemon water, when you're done boiling the kettle, just take some bicarbonate of soda and sprinkle it in your kitchen sink, and then once you're done sprinkling it there in the kitchen sink and in the drain, then just pour the lemon water in your sink. It should actually clean it up so nicely and so good. So you'd be glad you actually did that. So not only do you clean your kettle, but you use the water that you use to clean your kettle to clean your sink. Another way to repurpose the lemon water is to clean your micro oven with it. So just pour it in a container and pop it in the micro oven for a few minutes. And our kitchen is all clean, so there's that difference. So you can literally not see any traces of lime scale anymore. So you don't need like expensive chemicals, or you just don't need any chemicals at all to actually have a clean kettle. So just your household things. Another hack is if you have a small freezer but you like to stockpile or bulk buy like myself, then what you need is some plastic bags, freezer bags, and you will, package your meat nicely out of the trays that you get from the shop and into smaller plastic bags so that it's nice and easy to pack in the fridge. Because when you pack it in the fridge in the trays you receive from the store, they tend to take up a lot of space in the fridge. So but when you transfer the meat from the tray into these smaller freezer bags, you actually get a little bit more space, or you manage to pack up nicely in your fridge. So this is just me taking the meat out of the tray into the plastic, and I'll show you guys at the end how I packaged them.